Hello everyone. I come here for the Pinkathon conference every time, and I get my, dose of inspiration. You hear such wonderful stories. You hear so many things. There are people from all walks of life, also inspired and also inspiring. It's wonderful to be a part of this panel. I have said this time and again, I believe in the philosophy of love yourself. It is the basic step of empowerment. It's to accept that you're born with a body that you need to look after. And especially women in our country, because we are such givers, we are achievers, we are givers. We do so many things, we multitask, but the one thing that we forget to do is look after ourselves. And, and some, lifestyle diseases, things that we're talking about, things that were taboo before, we didn't want to talk about. Also this whole attitude of people thinking that, this can't happen to us. Everything can happen to everybody at any point of time. The idea is to be aware. The idea is to follow preventive measures. The idea is to love yourself, to lead a healthy life. All you need to do is to look after your health. Just keeping your weight in check, just following a few good dietary habits, you can really have a beautiful life, which is going to be absolutely disease-free. A lot of people in India, especially women and girls, they want to lose weight just to look good. I always say that the first step should be because of health. And yes, the bonus is always that you're always going to look good if you look after your health. So it's very important that initiatives like the Pinkathon is, widely celebrated, because it's talking about health, fitness, awareness for women. And women contribute mostly to the family, to the society, to the nation, in every possible way. So yes, I'm going to be a part of Pinkathon always. And yes, I miss the D-Day every time.
But this
because
time you're going to be there.
yes, this time I'm going to be there. Yeah, 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers is not very tough for me. But that is very tough. I have arthritis of the knees, so it's not really good for me to run on this road. I've discussed this with Milan before also. Though running is one of the most amazing physical activity that a person can do. It's so spirited, you feel free, you feel so strong. It has so many benefits that is beautiful, and it is very addictive also. You can ask the biggest runner here. He runs from city to city. God knows how he does that. But yes, start small, come out 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, and 10 kilometers. Build it up. Train hard. All the women out here, let's see more of these happy faces, beautiful faces on the D-Day for Pinkathon. And let's celebrate being a woman, and let's, control every bad thing that can happen to us. Lots of love. Thank you.
Thank you, Vibhasha. So, be aware and be prepared. Yeah. I mean, it's not a bad thing. People think...
कडेवर घेऊन तुम्ही आणू शकता त्यांना on your hip, and I think even 20, I was going to say something, but I must not say. But yes, thank you very much, Milind. I think the start of my fitness probably began with Pinkathon. He used to make me run every morning before my...
1001. Nice. Nice shoes. And we also want to present a bib to Monali, the leader of the Cancer Shiro Squad. 5001 with her orange shoes from Reebok.
With the association with Pinkathon, tell us something about that. Few several points that you would like to mention for the viewers and fans.
I mentioned every point possible, and I think everybody on this panel, we all talked about it. The idea is to celebrate your body as a woman. It's a great event for awareness. Yeah, just come out and run, guys, for Pinkathon. I want all the women, all the beautiful ladies to come out and just run for the Pinkathon.
And Basha, the fire that you are letting the fans' hearts and brains digitally is not going to fizzle out that soon. So would you like to share something that you tweeted to Yuvraj?
Say it again.
the fire that you have ignited in the fans' hearts and brain is not going to fizz out that soon. Digitally, I talk. So, you tweeted back to Yuvraj about his engagement. Would you like to share something about that?
Question on
But we are very eager to know that fully a clarification from
We'll get you, Brad, next year.
Next question, please. Or else we will go for a joint bite for the electronic media.
Perfect.
If there are any other questions from the print media,
Print media?
can I have the electronic guys come here?
सबसे पहले जानना चाहेंगे आप कैसे अपने आप को इतना फिट रखती है, कैसे इंस्पायर करती है महिलाओं को खास करके?
देखिए, हमारे पास एक जिंदगी होती है, एक शरीर होता है. सो इन दैट वन लाइफ यू हैव टू, इफ यू वांट टू लिव अ गुड लाइफ, यू हैव टू लुक आफ्टर योरसेल्फ. सो मेरे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मेरे लाइफ का जो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी है इज टू लव माई सेल्फ, इज टू, इसी चीज का मैं प्रचार करती हूँ. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ हेल्थ इनिशिएटिव्स. और आज हम लोग पिंकाथॉन को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि सारी महिलाएं आए और इस दौड़ का हिस्सा बने एंड डेफिनेटली क्रिएट अवेयरनेस. हेंस
विपाशा, हर समय की जो पिंकाथॉन की रेस होती है उसको आप मिस कर देते हो, तो इस साल क्या प्लान है और क्या कुछ स्पेशल होने वाला है इस बार पिंकाथॉन में?
देखिए, इस साल मैं चाहूंगी कि द टर्नआउट इज मोर एंड मोर. लेडीज टारगेट लॉन्गर डिस्टेंसेस. मैं डेफिनेटली रहूंगी इस साल. ऑलरेडी अब कैप्चर हो गया. झूठ तो बोलती नहीं हूँ मैं. तो सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ऑल द सेलिब्रेशन ऑन दैट डे.
जी, विपाशा, महिलाओं में कितना बदलाव है आज, खासकर अगर 10 साल पहले की बात करें और अब की बात करें, जिस तरह से फिल्में बन रही हैं, महिलाओं पर फिल्में बन रही हैं, कितना?
देखिए, महिलाओं में बहुत सारा बदलाव आया है, स्पेशली द इंडियन वुमेन, बिकॉज जिस किस्म की अगर आप किसी भी घर में देखिए, आजकल सबकी मम्मियाँ, मेरी मम्मी हर दिन शी गोज फॉर अ वॉक, शी गोज फॉर अ 4 किलोमीटर वॉक, और वो अपनी वॉक कभी मिस नहीं करती हैं. अगर मैं मम्मी को बोलूँ, मम्मी मैं चाय पीने आ रही हूँ, शी सेज नो, दिस इज माई टाइम फॉर वॉक, आई एम नॉट मीटिंग यू. सो ये जो चेंज आया है ये बहुत ही अच्छा है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि सब अब जितना एक महिला हेल्थ के बारे में, दैट्स द वे शी कैन लुक आफ्टर हर फैमिली दैट वेल. और यही वो उनके बच्चे उनसे सीखेंगे, उनके जो husband's health also. So I think it's very important that the woman in the house first gets healthy and fit. and that's what's happening. The trend is really strong
So,
now.
विपाशा, आपको बॉलीवुड में से सबसे फिट एक्टर और एक्ट्रेसेस कौन लगते हैं?
अभी सभी फिट है, ये जो अवेयरनेस है ना, सब में आ गया है, and especially to be a part of the visual medium, people look after themselves maybe for the other reasons that physically that you have to look good, but I think in today's time सब में इतनी सेंस आ गई है कि ये समझे कि हेल्थ की देखभाल करना बहुत जरूरी है.
But nowadays what has happened, the digitalization has increased so much. कुछ भी कहना हो fans से, viewers से, तो directly stars have access directly to their fans through
Yes.
Twitter or any other
Yes.
medium. So what is the basic reason of the growth of digitalization? Because nowadays what is it, ma'am?
Nothing to do with
You know,
and nothing to do with health and nothing to do with fitness. Next.
But everyone is eager to know about the wedding plans, sir.
You didn't tell me.
She told it universally to everyone, sir.
We can talk about what we're doing with the Dabbawalas and the cancer. Milind, why don't you just talk to us about that?
They'll just edit it.
so cute you are.
Well, I'd just like to say that initiatives like this are helped by, you said, digitalization, because the entire country, not only the people who traditionally get to hear the news, who have the time to watch TV or to read newspapers, but now many more people are on the internet, on different sites, not only on news sites. So they get to hear, like I'm sure there are a lot of sites here which are not news sites, which are lifestyle news and stuff like that, lifestyle information, which are going to carry this news. So they're getting more aware. So somebody asked earlier कि औरतों का पहले क्या था और अभी कितना awareness हो गया है. So I think कि बहुत सारा awareness हुआ है. I mean we're actually a very liberal country. We've had one of the first prime ministers in the world, women prime ministers in the world. But at that time maybe it was limited to a certain section of society. But today, because of the internet, because of the media, it's really trickling down. छोटे गाँव से महिलाएं आती हैं, businesses शुरू करती हैं, बहुत सारा काम करती हैं. Really amazing stuff. When you see आज आप उपासना मकाटी को आपने देखा, उन्होंने एक lifestyle magazine ब्रेल में बनाया है. I mean that is probably something that you would never imagine. So women are doing fantastic things today.
विपाशा, अगर वुमेन्स की बात करें तो फिल्मों की बात करें तो वुमेन सेंट्रिक फिल्में भी सेलिब्रेट की जा रही है आजकल बॉलीवुड में, तो उसके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे? एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस को दोनों को सेम तवज्जो दिया जा रहा है, उसके ऊपर आपका क्या रिएक्शन है?
ये तो अच्छी बात है.
हाँ, अच्छी बात है.
इससे ज्यादा क्या कहूँगी, ये तो अच्छी बात है कि being a woman you are getting better opportunities and the trend has happened. मैंने अपना करियर शुरू किया था 2001 में. I think from then to now the kind of opportunities that have come, मैं भी उस change का एक हिस्सा रही हूँ. For these last 13-14 years I have been a part of that change, so it's only getting better and better. And yes, women are doing fantastic in every sphere of life.
But Vipassha, please tell us something.
That's
No. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye guys.